This is Tim. Hi, Tim. Hi, Tim. Hi, Tim. See, look at our the baby Tim. This is Tim. And TJ maybe is that's another blanket that we have. See, that's another blanket that we have that was given to us by my friend Lorna Cherry from Kansas City. This one is, I think, 4 years ago. It's a Christmas present for us. See? And that's my TJ, my team. Hi, team. Hi, team. Hi, team. Hi, team. That is team. See, look at that. Team is playing. Hi, team. Hi, team. This is my baby team. This is baby team. Look at that. She's just playing. Baby team. Yes, that's our other blanket that my friend Lorna Cherry gave us 4 years ago. And that is Tim. Hi, Tim. Hi, Tim. What's up, Tim? Look at that. Look at that. She is so happy. Happy, happy Tim. TJ is not here. Maybe he's sleeping somewhere. But Tim is with me all the time. See, look at that. How nice, how good cat she is. Look at that. How handsome you are, Tim. Hi, Tim. Look at Tim. Yes, she is sitting in our blanket. That's my husband smiling, you know. That's this one is the second blanket that we have. The first one was given to us by Dr. Arlene Lim and Dr. Jeff in Texas, in Austin, Texas. This one from from Lorna Cherry from Kansas 4 years ago. Look at that. See? Hi, Tim. That is Tim. Look at Tim. Hi, Tim. Hi, Tim. Hi, Tim. Hi, Tim. What's up, Tim? What's up, Tim? What's up, Tim? Hi, Tim. Hi, Tim. How are you, Tim? What's up, Tim? Tim is always with us, with me. If anywhere I go, he follow me all the time. I think TJ is somewhere sleeping. And this is the blanket 4 years ago that my friend Lorna Cherry from Kansas give it to me as a gift. Chris to us to us. Chris 4 years ago. Thank you, Lorna, for this beautiful blanket. And the other one is from Dr. Arlene Lim and Jeff Lim they give us when we went to Kansas. Oh no, to Austin, Texas. Yes, that's it. Hi, Tim. Hi, Tim. Tim, 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 Tim. Hello, Tim. Hello, Tim. This is my baby Tim. He always come with me. Every time I go, he just follow me and follow me and follow me. Hi, Tim. He is my baby Tim. Yes, this is my baby Tim. Yes, that's my baby Tim. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Oh my God, Tim. No, Tim. Oh, you will fall. Oh, you will fall, Tim. There is Tim, Tim, Tim. Yes, this is Tim. See, he always follow me anywhere I go. See, look at that. Oh, hi, Tim. Hi, Tim. Oh. There he goes. He jumped already. See, he's playing. Hi, Tim. Look at my baby Tim. See? Oh, look at him. Hi, Tim. Hi, Tim. Look at Tim. Oh, look at Tim. Hi, Tim. Hi, Tim. He is always following me. Hi, Tim. Good, Tim. Oh, good, Tim. Yes, he always with me anywhere I go in the house. He just follow me TJ may be somewhere sleeping by himself. See?